best gaming mechanical keyboards in India. If you're obsessed with technologies, specifically computers, and full HD monitors, then you must have heard about mechanical keyboards. Mechanical keyboards are specifically useful for PC gamers, as a keyboard plays a very important role in any gaming session. Why a mechanical keyboard over an ordinary PC keyboard? Since they have mechanical switches, so mechanical keyboards are more durable than membrane keyboards. Mechanical keyboards can withstand more repetitive strokes due to their metal-on-metal contact, which is good for fast typists due to their metal-on-metal contact, which is good for fast typists. This N-key rollover feature is beneficial for gamers. List of the best mechanical keyboards in India. TVS Gold Bharat Gold. It is a mechanical keyboard with durable mechanical switches. The font on the keycaps is etched with a laser which remains intact for a really long time. The product is highly reliable with more than 2 lakh hours MTBF. Redragon K551WR. The Redragon K551WR is a wired mechanical keyboard with 104 Kaliya brown mechanical switches. These brown switches are from one of the leading Chinese companies, Kaliya, which are known for making silent switches. This sturdy keyboard is made up of hard plastic with a metal plate on top. This is one of the best gaming mechanical keyboards that you can buy right now. Zebronics ZebMax Pro. This sturdy keyboard has 104 tactile switches, with 12 multimedia keys. The multimedia switches are integrated with media control, which provides easy access. The keys on the keyboard have a lifespan of up to 1 crore keystrokes. Logitech G Prodigy G213. Logitech G Prodigy G213 has an excellent backlighting system. It has 5 different customizable RGB lighting zones which have a spectrum of over 16.8 million. The commands of the 12 function keys are programmable. The tactile switches register responses ultra quick, and the anti-ghosting gaming matrix provides optimal gaming experience. Redragon Kumara K552 mechanical gaming keyboard. This full-size gaming keyboard is wired and has custom mechanical switches. TKL keyboard has 104 conflict-free standard keys and 12 dual-action multimedia and function keys. It also has the anti-ghosting feature. HyperX Alloy FPS HXKB1BL1A/A3. The specialty of this gaming keyboard is the original Cherry MX Blue mechanical keys. This sturdy keyboard has a metal alloy top plate. The Cherry MX switches have high responsiveness and are durable with a lifespan of 50 million keystrokes. Logitech MK345. Logitech MK345 is a wireless mechanical keyboard that comes with a right-handed Logitech wireless mouse. Among the 12 function keys, some are allotted with media control and others are customizable. The keys make a low whisper-like sound. HyperX Alloy FPS Pro 10 keyless mechanical gaming keyboard. It is a heavy-duty keyboard with a retractable stand and braided cable. The keyboard has 87 keys. It has other 2 variants where you'll get Cherry MX Blue or Red 1 key switches. It has one of the best backlight systems, Corsair K95. This wide Corsair mechanical keyboard has Cherry MX Speed mechanical switches, which are capable of great speed and have 1.2 mm actuation. It is a full-size keyboard. It has an aircraft-grade anodized brushed aluminum frame which makes it highly durable. The keyboard has 8 MB profile storage which allows access to up to 3 stored profiles. It has a full anti-ghosting feature. HyperX Alloy Elite. This is another keyboard with Cherry MX mechanical switches. HyperX Alloy Elite has a solid steel frame and a full-length detachable wrist rest with soft touch coating. The solid steel frame ensures durability. The keyboard has the full anti-ghosting feature and N-key rollover functionality.